Hey everyone, I'm Rafi Salem back with David Edwards, president of Heron Wealth. Every month, David has been updating us on the state of the financial world. And what do you have coming up for us this coming Sunday, David?
Hey, Rafi. The topic of Sunday's webinar is going to be how to make good decisions in a time of insanity. So here we are in one of the most challenging years of my entire life, and I'm 60 years old. We have half the country on fire, literally. The other half of the country is torn between police violence and protester violence. We have a contested election coming up. The economy is reeling. We're in recession. We've had some improvement in job numbers, but still 20 million Americans lost their jobs and haven't regained them back yet. And how are we supposed to keep our wits about us and continue to make good decisions in this crazy environment? So I'll be talking about history a little bit and talking about emotions a little bit, and then talking about what we're continuing to do for our clients to keep them on track with their financial plans.
That sounds great. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on Sunday night.
See you then, Rafi.